Oh, hello.
Hi. I had an idea walking back from a staff meeting today that maybe I could take the CNC router and cut an apple with it. So here's the plan. I'm going to take this apple, put it in this vise, take this 3D scan of my face, and create a toolpath. In vCarve Pro, the software we're using to create the code for the CNC router, it allows you to do a preview of what your cut should look like. So I'm just going straight to a finishing pass because I'm not really too worried about the material. It's an apple, it's not too thick. So here's what it should look like. And I will be running the dust collector. Actually, just changed my mind. I don't think I'll run the dust collector because I don't think I want apple fragments in that system. I'd rather just clean it up on the table.
So you can kind of see a face in there. I'm going to adjust the code and make it a little deeper.
Test 2. Test 2.
Test 2. Okay, there might be a face in there. Let's clean it up and see.
Sick. Okay. So pretty great for a second, actually third try. I stopped it midway through and just bumped the Z-axis ever so slightly so it would cut a little deeper into the apple on the third try. I'm gonna get some more apple. This one's cutting so deep that it's making apple juice as it's going.
Again, it doesn't look very good, but let's see if I can clean that up a little bit with the sink. So that came out pretty good. I missed some of the forehead, but the fingers are present, and you can definitely see that it's a face.
Are you video typing?
Yeah.
and for day 2, I got a bunch of new apples. Here's a Honey Crisp. It's quite large. And we have a Fiji apple. Another Granny Smith, because they work so great. And a Gala. And then a pear. Some successes from day 2. This face came out very nice. I did a time lapse of this one to capture some of the browning. And a nice pairing with this one is this pair here of myself. Some ones that were not quite as successful. This is supposed to be a pineapple. And this is an eyeball. Isn't deep enough, but you can kind of see it. And this one came out pretty good too. It's another version of the face with the hands. All in all, a success, and I had way too much fun doing this. That's it. So the only bummer about this whole process is, of course, cleaning it up. I'll see you later.